Thebar.com presents how to make one of the most popular brunch cocktails, the Bloody Mary. First, add a pinch of salt and pepper into a mixing glass. Add 4 to 6 dashes of Worcestershire sauce, and then add 1 to 3 dashes of tabasco sauce. We're using 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters of Ketel 1 vodka in our cocktail. Another great option is the classic Smirnoff. Then add half a cup or 120 milliliters of tomato juice and a teaspoon or 5 milliliters of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add ice to both your highball and mixing glasses. Shake slowly. Strain into your highball glass. Garnish with a celery stick and lemon wedge. Finally, add another pinch of salt and pepper. For other simple cocktail recipes, take a look at our related videos or visit thebar.com.